Tired of repetitive tasks stealing your precious time? Let's unlock Notion's true potential by supercharging it with Zapier, automating workflows, and boosting productivity. First, you'll need both a Zapier account and a Notion account. Head over to Zapier.com and Notion.so to sign up if you haven't already. Both offer free plans to get you started. Once you're logged into Zapier, click the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, choose Notion as your trigger app. The trigger is what kicks off your automation, such as a new database item being created. Choose a trigger event, select New Database Item if you want your Zap to run whenever a new item is added to your Notion database. Next, connect your Notion account to Zapier. You'll need to choose which Notion pages Zapier can access. Select the specific Notion database you want to connect to your Zap. This tells Zapier where to watch for new items or updates. Now it's time to add an action. Search for the app you want to connect to Notion. For example, if you want to send an email notification when a new task is added to your Notion database, you'd search for Gmail. Configure the action by filling in the required fields. You can use data from your Notion database in these fields by selecting the appropriate values from the drop-down menus. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, sit back and watch your Notion workflows automate.